I'll go for line chart. I'll say axis. Let me take for timing subcategories. Where is my subcategories? Yes, it is there. Let me drag it in axis. I'll say values to be dragged. Values. I'll take sales. Where is my sales? Sales is there. Okay. Along the sales, I want profit should also be there. Parallelly. Two lines are there differently. So based on this subcategories, you are getting this output on your screen. So we are saying that more or less sales and profit are having different figures altogether. So still you can optimize based on your case. There is a very marginal difference between sales and profit. That's why seems like they are overlapping to each other. So let me remove the profit. Let me keep the sales part as an output. So if you say I'm not looking for this subcategory, I'm looking for a date portion. And you can cancel this subcategory. You can drag this my order date. Where is my order date? Let me drag order date. So here you on top you are having option of this. Go to next level. Go to different hierarchies and all. Expand down means you are asking to go to the next level of date. This is next. You are going for quarter, month, and subsequently day wise would be there. And you can back to your previous stage. Drill up, drill down. Depending on case, you can take a call. Hierarchy. You can show the values if needed. If depending on any case, you can go for. Formatting is there. Color code and other things you can change. You are looking for data labels to be shown. You can enable data labels. Display thousands are there already. So you don't want decimal to be there. Remove decimals. Position I say above. Let it be. It's very much okay with me. Or let it be auto because sometimes it's open. Overlapping of chart is not good for you. Font you can control. Density and all you can control based on your data values. That's good to go. So if you are looking for something like I'm looking for Y2 axis also. That's even parallelly if you want to show something like let me show you profit. Where is my profit? In that case, two different axes are there to showcase your data. This profit has been created based on your right side axis and sales is from your left side axis. Depending on your case, if you are looking for, you can go ahead. Otherwise, good to go. You can change. So let me format this. Let me off my data labels so that I can see the values. Yes. Now this we are having two axes with us. So let me increase the font of. Let me write some header also there. Title. I will say profit axis. So if you are looking for a dual axis system, you can go ahead. Depending on case, you can take a call which option you want to go for. And parallelly on third tab, we are having analytics. This analytics is not applicable for all the charts. In few of the charts, we are getting this option. Enable with the multiple options. Say here we can say I can go for putting constant line. Let me put one line which is with value of I'll say 60,000. Or it work on your y-axis part on which value head you have selected. Then parallelly you say this is okay. Minimum line, maximum line, average line, median line, percentage line, anything which is you think is good for you, you can go ahead.